So hey guys, how you doing? This is Rohit Bhatia and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share second free Filmora intro template with you guys, which you can use in any of your YouTube video. So guys, without any further ado, let's see how you can edit with your own logo and name. So guys, here are the source files which you can download from the description. Now open your logo file, then right click on the file and rename it. Name it as a logo, make sure its L should be in uppercase. Now right click on it and copy the file. Now open the project folder, go to the logo folder, delete the existing file and paste the file you have copied. Now simply go back and open the project file. It will open it in Filmora. So here we can see the logo has been automatically updated. If you want to scale the logo, then select the logo layer and click on settings. And from here you can transform it. And after doing all the tweaks, you can finally export it. So guys, I hope you like this intro. Please subscribe to my channel for more intros and don't forget to press the bell icon. So guys, see you in the next one. Till then, keep designing.